Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Changelly application. Step number 1 is to download Changelly app from App Store or Google Play. So you just have to sign up with your email and create a strong password, and then verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your Gmail. And then next is to tap on your profile and select verification. So from there, you have to upload a government-issued ID that can be passport or driver's license, and also take a selfie and then wait for approval. So that will take usually 10 to 30 minutes. Next is on the home screen, you can tap on buy crypto. So select a cryptocurrency that you want. So there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and etc. So just enter the amount in your local currency, which is USD, EUR, and etc. Next is to choose payment method. So credit or debit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay, depends on you. And then enter your card details or bank information. So Changelly will show the final amount, including the fees. Lastly is to review the transaction details and exchange rate. So tap on the buy now to confirm purchase, and then your crypto will be deposited to your Changelly wallet within 10 to 30 minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!